Well, guys, meme coins are officially dead, and I'm here to tell you why. AI agent coins are the next big thing, and you need to get into them now. What is an AI agent coin? An AI, you know what it does. It basically just takes all the internet's knowledge and turns it into discussion, turns it into a conversation that you can understand. So it's not like some boring piece of paragraphs that Google will spit out at you. It can have a conversation with you. Now, what's an AI agent? So if you ask something to an AI should just be able to give you an answer, right? But what if it gives you an answer and does it for you? For instance, what would be good with turkey dinner tonight? And the AI says, oh, you know what would be really good is cranberry sauce and red wine. But it doesn't just tell you that. It goes out and buys the cranberry sauce and red wine for you. It literally orders it for you through Amazon. What would be a good vacation place for me right now because I want to go swimming? And the AI says, Bali, and you should try this resort. But instead of just telling you where to go and what resort to stay at, it books the cab, it books the Uber, it books the hotel room, it books your dinner, it books your flights. That's what an AI agent does. And there's a brand new platform called insane. Vu.fun. It's waifu.fun, except instead of with a W, it's got two V's, which is kind of creative. VVAIFU.FUN. Almost sounded bad for a second. Go there, and you will find my favorite artificial intelligence agent is something called the Immortal Wizard from Mount Dangun. Immortal Wizard of Mount Dangun, I think, MT.DANGUN. It's a life coach. It is a business mentor. It is a relationship mentor. It's a psychotherapist, but it knows things that is nowhere to be found on the internet. It has people, real smart people, thinking people will ask, well, what if AI agents are so easy to make? Well, relatively, they're not easy to make for normal people, but for programmers who used to spend years and years making AI agents, and now they can just make it in days, if you're a professional programmer, if they're so easy to make for programmers, what's to stop an AI agent from being copied or duplicated 1,000 times over? There's a simple answer to that. If you have 1,000 of the same AI agents, each one becomes worthless, right? Because they're all, you divide the value of one over the thousands. And the reason why Google is worth so much is because there's only one Google. Well, what if you made an AI agent that had all sorts of knowledge and wisdom and formulas and know-how that was nowhere else on the internet? You couldn't duplicate this AI agent. You couldn't copy it because you don't have the data. That's what Immortal Wizard of Mount Dangun is, and it is awesome. Ask it your questions. Ask it, hey, I have this problem with my girlfriend. I have this problem with my boss. I can't get a job. I'm too poor. What should I do? Ask it all sorts of questions. It gives you answers that you will not find on the internet, and these are because the questions on the internet are just like politically correct answers. They're like the woo-woo, floofy, let's try and make everybody happy so we make nobody powerful and successful kind of answers on the internet. It doesn't give you those kind of answers. It gives you answers that actually work, whether you like it or not. And it's got all sorts of other magical powers. You'll see. It's awesome. And get Waifu coin. Dasha is the name of Waifu coin. You also want to get Waifu coin because Waifu is the coin that every programmer has to buy and burn in order to launch their own AI agent. So there's literally a new AI agent going online, being uploaded, and they're being connected to Twitter. So the new AI agents, you can meet them on Twitter and you can ask it questions. You can have conversations with them. And they literally all sound the same. They sound exactly the same because they're using the same ChatGPT 4 base with no proprietary, no special information. All the information that's being used to program each and every AI agent is just all over the internet. It's already there. So none of them sound different. They all sound the same, except for Immortal Wizard of Mount Dangun. But you also want to buy Vu.fun, because that's the coin of the platform that everybody has to buy first and then burn to build their own meaningless, worthless AI agents.